ବ୍ରହ୍ମପୁର ଉପକଣ୍ଠ ଆମ୍ବପୁଆ ସ୍ଥିତ ନୂଆ ଡିପଲ ସ୍କୁଲରେ 16ତମ ବାର୍ଷିକ ଉତ୍ସବ ଅପୂର୍ବ ଦ ୟୁନିକନେସ୍ ମହା ଆଡମ୍ବରରେ ପାଳିତ ହୋଇଯାଇଛି। ଉକ୍ତ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମରେ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଅତିଥି ଭାବେ ବ୍ରହ୍ମପୁର ଦକ୍ଷିଣାଞ୍ଚଳ ଡିଆଇଜି ଡକ୍ଟର ସାର୍ଥକ ଷଡ଼ଙ୍ଗୀ ଯୋଗ ଦେଇଥିବା ବେଳେ ସମ୍ମାନିତ ଅତିଥି ଭାବେ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟର ସଭାପତି ଫାଦର ଡକ୍ଟର ମାଥ୍ୟୁ ନାୟକ ଯୋଗ ଦେଇଥିଲେ। ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାକାଳୀନ ଏକ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣାଢ୍ୟ ପରିବେଶରେ ଉତ୍ସବ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହୋଇ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ଅଭିଭାବକ, ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀ ଓ ଦର୍ଶକମାନଙ୍କୁ ନିଜ କଳା ଓ ସଂସ୍କୃତିରେ ଶେଷ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ବାନ୍ଧି ରଖିଥିଲା। ଗତ ବର୍ଷ ଦଶମ ଶ୍ରେଣୀରେ କୃତକାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହୋଇଥିବା ପ୍ରଥମ 3 ଜଣ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଅତିଥିଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ସମ୍ମାନିତ କରାଯାଇଥିଲା। ସ୍କୁଲର ଅଧ୍ୟକ୍ଷ ଫାଦର ଭାଲେରିଆନ୍ ବାର୍ଷିକ ବିବରଣୀ ପାଠ କରିଥିବା ବେଳେ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟର କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକାରୀ ସମ୍ପାଦକ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଅର୍ପଣ କରିଥିଲେ। ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟର ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀମାନଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ହୋଇଥିବା ବିଭିନ୍ନ ସାଂସ୍କୃତିକ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ତଥା ଶିକ୍ଷାମୂଳକ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ଦେଖି ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଅତିଥି, ସମ୍ମାନିତ ଅତିଥି ଏବଂ ଦର୍ଶକ ମଣ୍ଡଳୀ ଖୁବ୍ ପ୍ରଶଂସା କରିଥିଲେ। ବ୍ୟୁରୋ ରିପୋର୍ଟ, ଆଞ୍ଚଳିକ ବାର୍ତ୍ତା।
Today we are celebrating our annual day. As topic itself signifies that celebrating uniqueness, Apurva. We are glad, I am also extremely glad on this day to see such a ecstatic, excellent program. And I appreciate on this occasion for the hard work, commitment, the dedication the children have done, and also the teachers and the supporting staff and the entire community or family of New Dipol School. As the topic itself signifies that celebrating uniqueness, each class, each program is trying to bring about something unique and unique topic, unique theme, and they have taken time, they have reflected over it, they have put up heart and mind, and they have brought out beautiful programs, beautiful events. On this occasion, I also sincerely appreciate and thank our parents and also all well-wishers for their support and also collaboration to bring this school to this juncture. Today it is because on this occasion, yes, I want to give the message that surely as we are striving to the excellence of this school, to the heights of the glories, we will always be committed to our duty, we will always be responsible to our commitment, responsibility, and we assure that we will be giving the best and will be trying to bring the best in the lives of the students. And of course, as we have also started this year class 11, the higher secondary level, that also is a unique thing for us. That also will be unique moment and venture in the coming days and coming years. Once again, thanks to the students, thanks to the teachers, thanks to the parents and well-wishers, and also thanks to the media persons.
Nayak, president of the Dipol family schools, chain of schools we have got today. Today, New Dipol School is hosting the annual day, 16th annual day. It is wonderful to be here. I myself was a principal here from 2011-2014. And I know the school has grown to this height. And today we have got a new admission for the +1. And we are so happy. New Dipol School is something unique. Today's topic of the day, of the annual day is uniqueness. Something different, something unique, something wonderful. And you can see from today's program, from number one to till now, unique way of performing the program, unique way of presenting the whole situation and so on. And you know, it is an occasion where they are combining academic skills, other extracurricular and co-curricular activities displaying on the stage. It is wonderful to bring them on a stage on a particular day like annual day. So it is a wonderful occasion that you are all coming and witnessing. We wish that in coming year all the parents will be attracted to our school and send their children, because it is one of the best CBSE school in the township. I know that, and you will be definitely will be our proclaimers, and you will be giving us an opportunity, a boost. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to speak to you on behalf of Dipol family. Thank you so much.
Any message for the students, those who are got a golden medal in the sports level, sir?
it is a wonderful and powerful message I should give. You know, our children are getting national gold medal. You know, we are always thinking only academic excellence. It is not only academic excellence that matters today. You need to have also other co-curricular and extracurricular gold medal, and in the national level, it is wonderful. The parents must say, inculcate and also encourage their parents, children to go ahead with kind of skills and talents that will be also helping them in future for their life.